Russian JIMBO Safe Company Limited engaged in safe industry more than 12 years, so we are one of professional supplier making all kinds of safes, including home safes, fireproof safes, depository safes, hotel safes, gun safes, vault door, etc. We are located in world-famous furniture city Foshan, which next to Guangzhou. We have more than 10,000 square meters workshop, 2,000 square meters large warehouse, and also 500 square meters showroom. We have a professional engineer team, QC team, high-efficiency sales team and competitive price superiority, attracted many customers from all over the world. We export to over 30 countries: America, Australia, Israel, Qatar, Iraq, Saudi Arabia, Thailand, Malaysia, and so on. Our advanced laser cutting machine imported from Germany allows for efficient and accurate mass production, and with strong technical support from our R&D department, we can accept any OEM and ODM orders. It makes our production capacity more than 5,000 pieces per month, and we have enough stock in our warehouse to deliver the goods in a short time. JIMBO, all our products were passed the UL, CE, RoHS testing, and Fireproof certificate in China. Our products 100% fully environmental protection and stable enough. We are reliable and responsible factory of the safe with 1 year, 2 years, some models more than 6 years warranty. Quality is the life of a factory. We always take care the quality to meet all our customers' requirement.